Morning rises bright and early at the Magenta House student accommodation. The building, with its beautiful facade of exposed bricks and cream-white walls, hosts several arrays of ensuite and studio apartments for international students worldwide. The bright bedrooms are illuminated by the sun streaming through tall windows. A cozy study area invites young minds to explore the mysteries of the world, while shelves overflowing with hardback books provide a wealth of knowledge. The spacious wardrobes hint at a life full of adventure and excitement. A refreshing shower in the gray tiled bathroom is best followed by a comforting bowl of warm chicken soup in the modern kitchenette. In shared apartments, spacious kitchens come equipped with rows of cabinets, sleek ovens, and refrigerators, perfect for hosting fun feasts with your new flatmates. It's no wonder that many have found lifelong friends while bonding over meals in the cozy living space. Students from the London Metropolitan University and Queen Mary University can be spotted happily scurrying about on their daily errands, making quick grocery trips to the Nizal local. The weekends bring a delightful surprise at Hitchki's fine dining establishment, where one can savor an all-Indian kebab platter with its tantalizing fragrances of Oriental alchemy. Living at the Magenta House is a life-affirming experience for university students. It is not just memorable, it is monumental. Head over to amberstudent.com and make this dream accommodation yours.